So your freestanding sign has arrived. You now need to put it together. It's really easy. There's just one little trick that I want to highlight to you in this video, and that has to do with this bolt. There's two of these. These are your D bolts, and they come fitted to the frame. So they're generally not loose in the package, they're actually fitted. So we just need to remove those first. So let's do that. Just comes out with the Allen key, which is supplied in the pack. That will then leave you with 2 D bolts, 4 E bolts, and we're ready to go. From here on, it's super easy. Just need to get plastic bags off. We'll fit the base bolts, which are your E bolts. So that's the 4 E bolts fitted. Just turn that over. And all we need to do now is bolt the upright to the base, and for that we use our D bolts, which is what we pulled out of the legs earlier. Just fit those back into the exact same holes they came out of. Put those 2 bolts in and we're done. You're ready to fit your panel. It just slides in from the top.